What's up, guys? Oscar the truck guy here. As you guys can see, new haircut, new year, new me. But new year, new me also means that I'm going to be posting a lot more this year because I have not been posting very much. So first things first, let's get started with what this video is about and make it short and sweet. So I just bought this 1980 C10 and these tail lights are very like sun faded, sun damaged. There's no cracking anywhere, but they're very like faded. So I'm going to teach you how to make this. Look into this. Now you don't need any like expensive tools or anything. I mean, if you have the money for it, go for it. Go buy yourself a little buffer and everything. But for the sake of this and the sake of me not wanting to take my tools out, we're just going to use two things. So first things first, I've got my polish. I use Meguiar's polish, which works really good. I like their products for washing my cars, detailing my cars, polishing my cars, everything. And the second thing we're going to use is just a rag. Make sure it's a clean rag, or else you're going to like scrape up the paint or plastic in my case if you don't have a clean rag. But what we're going to do is this. So bear with me because I only have one hand available. The other one's recording. Or actually, that's going to work out. I'm going to set it down right there. So what I usually do is I get some of this polish and I put it on a corner of my rag. Like so. And now we're going to take the rag and we're going to like put little dots of the polish on what we're polishing. That should be just about good enough, I think. I think I've got a little bit much, but it'll work. And we're just basically going to clean it with this until all the compound is gone. And I'm polishing with my left hand, which is why it looks like I'm not doing a good job. I'm right-handed. As you guys can see, it's starting to shine up. And this happens in the Arizona sun a lot, you know. Usually the plastic gets cracked too when you leave it out in the sun, but sometimes it just sun fades, you know. And polish will help it out and it'll help it look good. Make sure you don't miss any spots. You could normally tell where the dull spots are at. And I think I'm just about good. I'm just gonna wipe off the rest of it off. And there you guys have it, brand new. So with two little things, a rag and some polish, I was able to make that tail light look brand new. And what does that guy say? Damn, I just saved myself 150 bucks. But stay tuned for the next video. We're gonna be doing a walk around on this new 1980 C10 step light that we picked up. And I'm also gonna give you guys some tips on buying older vehicles. Pretty much what I do when I go look at one, go buy one. So yeah, make sure you hit that subscribe button and we'll see you in the next video.